How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're continuing on with the destruction that we did last time of destroying the Skyline. This is going in this week to get that repaired. But we need to take the engine apart so that we can get it to the machine shop. So that's the next mission. Strip that thing and get it all bored out and fully forged and all the goodness. What are we doing? Something first, do we?
Nah, do the top first.
Let's do it. Right, starting with the valve covers coming off. We need to get a pulley. Hopefully a mate down the road comes home soon and he's got one. But yeah, it's going to start stripping bits. One valve cover off. Let us know in the comment section what you think about these carbons. They got like, see all this? Like little scratches in it on them. Can't remember mine, whether they were like that or not. I don't think they were. But yeah, Sam's still alive after throwing the engine at my car. We've been quoted, we got a decent quote. All of you lot moaning on the other videos, well, the last video about shorts of damage. If you watched the main video, not just a short, you would have seen it. But yeah, 2 big gouges and a big crack on there. They're going to paint this as well. They're going to fix this a little. They're going to blend it, I think, just where this line is, and hopefully it don't look stupid. But yeah, that's going in sometime this week. I'm waiting on the phone call. They've ordered the painting. But yeah, should be back in play soon. I've also just purchased. This car's had a bit of an hard week because after that, drove to work the next day and my alternator went, which is ideal. So I've nicked Sam's alternator because he ain't using it at the minute. I've ordered one, an uprated one from France, Drift something. I'll link it in the description down below. And it's a lot higher output of watts. I think the stock one's like 60 to 90 amps, and this one I've bought 140. It was 300 odd quid, like, but upgraded still. That's all the valve covers off, is it?
Yeah.
Completed it.
Someone's been in here.
Someone's been in here, yeah. Someone painted your valve covers.
Look at this. What's this red shit?
I don't know. Bit of crust. It's a bit dirty, isn't he? But looks alright. You done the last ones, have you?
Yeah, these were done.
Done these.
Yeah.
Impact them off now. Save doing it with manual.
Gonna grab another box.
Should do. It's gonna have a
Seal on it.
yeah, a seal for your cam gear.
So we'll just pull the whole thing.
Yeah, it's alright, yeah. There you go. There you go. There you go. Intake cam off. Lifters coming out.
Do intake and exhaust lifters are different, or?
No.
No, there's
Right now the head's coming off.
negative.
You need to break a bar for that, Samuel.
Yeah.
See how leaky his head gasket is, which is why we're doing this job. It shoots coolant everywhere on the side of the road, but yeah.
Ready? Yeah. Wee.
That was easy. A bit less than for the sparklers coming out. A bit of skin missing away, but that's got the towel ready.
These corners will look There's a head gasket's fine.
Yeah, don't look like it's leaking, does it?
That's,
It's half the market, isn't it?
I don't see it leaks.
That dowel. Right. Head. Doesn't look like it's been leaking, but it obviously has from somewhere.
So the head gasket's gone. Oh, maybe there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's a bit crusty, isn't it? Usually you like see like a channel here or something.
Should we give him a little turn over? See what you.
Give him a little turn over the little cylinders. Cylinder walls don't look nowhere near as bad as.
Well, that's 6, isn't it? That was the bad
yeah,
one.
this is the worst one. It should be. We'll give him a little spin round.
Ow.
Yeah, it's not terrible.
About 5. 5's alright.
5's alright.
I still see cross hatching. Do you think it was done?
Maybe. Why is it throwing coolant everywhere then?
Just overheating for some reason. Maybe it's just the tune was lean, and that's causing the overheating, and that was it. Like, we didn't need to.
Don't think out of it. Thump's coming off now, me old chickens. Pull it off, Samuel. Maybe you got to whack it with a mallet. Hit it with a hammer.
No, just don't dent it.
Done it. Yeah, proper swing. I have to get a little pry bar then.
Chisel or something.
I've got chisel edge. Right, sump is released. So what we got in here, Samuel? What have we got? Oh, look at that. It's a lot of shiznay. But other than that, it's got some Nissan rods. Imagine that.
The Skyline? No.
Yeah, not for long.
There's some chunks in the pan.
Some chunks.
Not terrible. No, that's a big chunk of metal right there. That's worrying me a bit.
Is it? Wow, it's a good job we're taking the pistons and that out.
Where's he gone?
Investigation.
Yeah, there's some
chunkage.
Yeah.
Let her in.
Remove a thing. Oh, did she? Not allowed in.
Don't come out.
Oh, it's stuck,
Or a
Sam.
mallet.
Hit it with a hammer.
Behind you.
How you doing?
Let's do this, look. Oh, he doesn't want to come off, does he? Glued on.
Do you want me to hold the camera and you do two
Right, need two-hander. Oil pump's coming off now. Cradle, we got it off in the end after smashing it with the hammer a few times. Sam's going to break his oil pump. Racket Sam. Final pieces of the puzzle. Hit it with a hammer, Samo.
So where's rubber's coming from?
Yeah, I know. Alright, don't bother. Rear range seal completed. Is that the thing broke?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a sealant.
It's just sealing.
Remove the crank. Crank it. It's heavy. Completed.
Where am I going with this?
I don't know. Right, here's what we want to take the engine apart for as well. Look at 6. Like a zebra this size. Just as bad. Yeah, it's quite bad. You can't really see it properly on camera, but trust me kids, it's kaput. Might be able to get away with honing it, but we don't really know because we ain't experts. Get the machine shop, have a look at it. Forged pistons and rods. Oversized. Job done.